Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Samira Champion on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client, and as you open your game, you're in this home screen. So just stay at this home screen and look at the top for the option store, and as you see it, just click it to view the store page. And as you view the store page, go in the option champions right here. And as you view the champion, just scroll this down where you can see the Samira right here. So just select it, and either you can buy it from the RP coin or the BE coin. If you don't have both, you can just top up the RP coin and get this champion for yourself. So guys, that's how you get the Samira champion on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.